The detailed tutorial of spring flower pendant is here. Beginners can also do healing crafts. Don't complicate. The basic pattern stitch can be done. Let's learn the pendant stems of spring flowers. The part needs to be ticked 5 times. Let's take out the green line first. And from the middle of it, there's a bunch of threads. Pull it out like this. Then there is a thread. We start with the thread. Then first tick the 6 short needles from laps 1 to 22. Acupuncture first. Crochet through the coil to draw the thread out. Wrap and hook it out. It's needled like this. Start hooking 6 short needles. Crochet through the coil. Hook the line. There are 2 coils on the crochet. The winding hooks both coils at the same time. This is a hook with a short needle. Then for the first stitch, we make the marking buckle first. And the marker goes through the whole head like this. And here's the first shot. Keep going through. Hook the line. The winding hooks out to coils at the same time. This is the second short needle. Go through the coil and hook the wire out. The winding hooks out these 2 coils at the same time, the third one, 4th, 5th, 6th. Then take out the marker buckle. Mark the 6th pin. This represents the last stitch in this circle here, and we're going to count the needles. Let's distinguish the needle mesh. Mark buckle. Here's the first shot. Then crochet through the next hole. Here's the second stitch. A needle is like a V shape. It's a V shape, which is a whole needle in this case. Then go through the next hole. It's the 3rd stitch through the next hole. The 4th stitch goes through the next hole. 5th stitch, and then the last hole. Here is the 6th stitch. Our first and last stitches in each lap. Make a mark to distinguish between the first and last stitches. And then we pull on this thread. Make this coil smaller. Tension. The next step is to pull and stand with the first pin. Remove the marking clasp on the first stitch. Crochet through the head of the first stitch. Then the thread is hooked out of the mesh of the first stitch. Remove this coil from the crochet. So this is a pull needle. Then we wrap it around and hook it out. This is a standing needle. After each circle, you must pull out and stand up to connect. And here's the first lap. The stems here are 6 short needles per circle. Then let's take the first mean first. Just hook 22 laps. Let's demonstrate the second lap. Crochet through the first stitch. This is where the mark buckle was just made. That's the first needle. Then draw the thread out of a short needle. And here's the marker. The first stitch represents the first stitch of the second circle. Pass through the next stitch, hook a short needle. Second short stitch, next stitch. Third short stitch, next stitch. 4th short needle. Next stitch, 5th short needle. The last stitch is the last short stitch. Take it off. Stick a short needle on the last stitch. And the last pin is the marking clasp. Here is the last stitch of the second lap. After hooking, stand up and connect with the first pin lead. Remove the marking clasp on the first stitch. Through the first stitch. Pull out. Take another shot. In this way, the second circle is hooked, and there's a little thread over here. You can cut it short, but don't cut it short. Each circle is hooked with 6 short needles. Let's do another set. The first stitch starts with a short stitch, and here you make your own mark. I'm not going to repeat that. Next stitch, 1 short stitch. Next stitch, 1 short stitch. Next stitch, short needle, 1 needle mesh, 1 short needle. After hooking and pulling the first needle, stand up again. This is laps 3 through 4. Short needle, short needle. Short needle, short needle, short needle, short needle. After hooking, stand up with the first stitch. Each circle is a short hook. Only hook a short needle in 1 stitch, and then a circle is 6 short needles. Everyone hooks themselves to lap 22. Lap 5. Lap 6. Seventh lap. Lap 22 is exactly the length of this. Then we can count. Bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 2. Let's cut the wire. Make it longer. Pull it out like this. Take out the suture needle. Threading. So this is a whole needle, and then when we sew this thread in here, it goes from the bottom to the middle like this. Let's demonstrate. From the first stitch, bottom goes through the middle, and each stitch is threaded. Thread each thread. The next stitch goes from bottom to center. Next, 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 next. Then tighten it like this. Then thread this thread into this and hide it. Just disconnect it. And here's the first tick. Then we will continue to tick down. Then there are also 6 short needles in the lower row. The same method is used to hook the 10th lap. Hook 6 short needles. Hook lap 10. A total of 2 are ticked out. Then the next one is also hooked to circles 1 to 6. 6 short needles. Tick this. Then the first and next one is laps 1 to 18. 6 short needles. Then everyone ticks themselves first.